Hello, my lovely boys and girls. Welcome to the Safe Kids Safety Corner, where we're all about having fun whilst learning to stay safe. Are you ready for another exciting adventure today? Okay, let's go. Today, we'll be talking about boundaries. Do you know what boundaries mean? Okay, I'll show you. What are boundaries? Boundaries are personal space. Everyone has boundaries. Just like you have your own space, others have their space too. We need to respect boundaries. Boundaries mean if someone tries to touch you in a way that makes you uncomfortable, it is important to say no and tell a trusted adult. Boundaries also mean asking for permission before touching or hugging someone. It is very polite to ask for permission, and this shows that you respect boundaries. What are private parts? Private parts are special parts of our bodies that are covered by our swimsuits or our underwear. I know all of you have underwears, right? Me too. Do you know the areas of your body that your underwear covers? Are you a boy or a girl? Let mom and dad help you identify the areas of your body that your underwear covers. Let's talk about keeping your private parts clean. It is important to always keep our bodies clean, especially in our private areas. It helps keep all the bad germs away. Always remember to keep your private parts covered at all times. The 4 rules of safety. Nobody should touch your private areas unless it's for a necessary reason, like at the doctor's. We should always respect each other's private parts and not look or touch each other. We should keep our private parts covered in our underwear and swimwear at all times. We should say no or stop if someone tries to touch us anywhere that makes us uncomfortable. Do not be afraid to report if an adult or a child tries to touch you anywhere in your private areas or asks to show you their private areas. Parents, pause this section to play the what if game with your ward or child. Okay, kids, repeat after me. I can talk to others about things that frighten or bother me. I can say no when someone crosses my boundary. I can control myself when I feel like doing something not right. I can talk to a trusted adult when I need help. I can speak up for myself when I feel unsafe. Good job. I'm so proud of you. That was so good. You're such good boys and girls. I can't wait to see you again next week. Thank you for listening to the Safe Kids. Have a good day. Bye-bye.